In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage ChatGPT memory and cross-session recall 2026 guides. First, let's get to the personalization dashboard, which is your control center for persistent settings. On desktop or web, click your profile icon or initials in the bottom left corner. Then open the settings gear. On mobile, open the sidebar menu, tap your profile name at the bottom, and choose personalization. If you like shortcuts, you can go straight there with the settings link. Interface labels can shift slightly over time, but you're looking for the personalization area tied to your account profile. Once you're in, locate the memory toggle. Turning memory on allows ChatGPT to ambiently capture key preferences. Things like your coding stack, document formats, or tone during normal conversation. Turning it off makes every session a clean slate, which is helpful when you don't want anything carried forward. If you ever encounter a memory full banner, know that Plus and Pro tiers use an automatic prioritization system that quietly moves older, less used details out of the way. That usually resolves capacity issues without you needing to intervene. Next, give your stored memories a quick management pass. Click Manage or Manage Memories to open a chronological list of what's been saved. If you see outdated project names or preferences, remove them with the three dots or the trash can icon next to each entry. And if you want to start fresh, scroll to the bottom and choose Clear ChatGPT's memory. This resets your personalization background but does not remove your chat sidebar history, so your conversations remain intact. You can also train or correct memory directly in a chat. To commit a fact, say something like, "Remember that I use Python and Tailwind CSS for my web app projects." Or, "Remember that I prefer a direct, professional, and fluff-free tone." If something shouldn't stick, correct it on the fly with, "Forget that I changed my database preference, or don't remember that project deadline anymore, Saison." For a quick audit type, "What do you remember about me?" to see a concise summary of your active memory state. For Plus and Pro users, memory operates across 3 layers. Saved memories are the persistent items you manage in the dashboard. Contextual memory captures what's happening in your current thread. Reference chat history can pull in relevant details from past logs when prompted. When you need a clean room, use temporary chat to bypass all 3. Keep your personalization tidy and intentional, and your assistant will stay precise without wasting capacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.